Your brain is already the most complex object known in the observable universe. 86 billion neurons firing in perfect chaos, weaving the story of you. But what if those neurons weren't bound by the slow, predictable rules of classical physics? What if they danced to the tune of the quantum world, a place where the impossible is just another possibility? A brain that doesn't just think, but exists in infinite realities at the same time. A brain that could see the future before it happened. If the human brain worked like a quantum computer, reality as we know it wouldn't just change, it might become obsolete. Right now, your thoughts follow a linear path. One neuron fires, then another, like dominoes falling in sequence. It's fast, almost unimaginably fast, but still bound by time's arrow. A quantum brain wouldn't follow that path. Instead, it could hold multiple thoughts, outcomes, and ideas all at once, without ever having to choose until it wanted to. This ability comes from superposition, one of the strangest principles in quantum mechanics. Imagine being able to hold every answer to a question in your mind simultaneously, to live in every what-if scenario before making a single decision. You could instantly know how an invention would change history, or whether a choice will lead to happiness, regret, or something else entirely. Then there's entanglement, that mysterious link between particles, no matter the distance. If your neurons could be entangled, your mind could connect directly to others. Bypassing words entirely, you could transmit emotions, thoughts, even full memories instantly, across continents, or even galaxies. Communication would no longer be bound by speed or language. It would be shared. Consciousness. Imagine a society where billions of minds could synchronize ideas in real time, designing cures for diseases, building entire civilizations in simulations, or solving mysteries that have baffled humanity for millennia. It would be a collective intelligence unlike anything the universe has ever seen. But here's the catch. Quantum states are fragile. In computers, the smallest disturbance, heat, light, magnetic fields, can cause a collapse, a phenomenon known as decoherence. If our brains work this way, an unexpected emotional shock, a loud noise, even a stray neuron misfiring could shatter the delicate balance of thought. One moment you'd be thinking in infinite dimensions, the next, you'd be reduced back to a single, limited perspective. And then there's the question of identity. If your mind could split into countless versions of yourself, each exploring a different path, which one would be you? Or would individuality dissolve entirely, replaced by something greater, a single consciousness spanning countless possibilities? Would love, ambition, or even morality still have meaning if you could experience every version of reality at once? The consequences would ripple across human culture. Art might evolve into something unrecognizable, not created for the eyes or ears, but for the entirety of consciousness. Science would accelerate beyond imagination. We might finally understand the nature of reality, or discover that reality itself is just one thin layer of an infinite multiverse. But with such power comes danger. A quantum brain could potentially manipulate reality at the most fundamental level, bending probabilities in its favor. Wars wouldn't be fought with weapons, but with the collapse of possibility itself. The line between thought and action would blur, and with it, our understanding of free will. So maybe the question isn't just what if the human brain was a quantum computer, but whether we'd still want to be human once it was. Because in a quantum mind, the future, the past, and the present would all be happening right now.